What's happening, guys? I am Stevie the Military Biker. Welcome to the channel. Today I'd like to talk to you about the smart triple play from Custom Dynamics that allows you guys here in Canada or wherever around the world to use your rear turn signals as running lights as well as turn signals. So let me show you in this video how to install the smart triple play and indeed how to program it so you guys can have the same effect as what I've got now on my 2021 Street Glide Special. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is obviously remove your seat, remove your backrest if you've got one fitted, and obviously the strap that runs over there, you need to take that off to take the seat off. So just take your seat off. Pretty simple really, first step. Okay guys, like I said, I want my rear turn signals to run also as running lights. So for that you need the Custom Dynamics Smart Triple Play Connector System, which I have here. Okay, and the first thing you want to do is obviously remove the seat like I said, and secondly you want to find your cable that runs to the back of the bike for your indicators, turn signals at the back of the bike and your brake and running light. So on a 2021 Street Glide, probably everything around about 14 and up, is your connector is at the back of the seat. Okay, it's here right next to where your backrest sits. It's on, as you're looking at it to the back of the bike, it's on the right hand side of the bike right there, and all you want to do is disconnect this and insert this, which I'll do right now. Easy peasy. Push the little button down and it should squeeze out like so. Okay, you need both of these, and all you want to do with your Custom Dynamics Smart Triple Play, right? So as you can see, it's got the grooves on there. So all you do is this one will fit into the back of the bike like so, and this one fits into the one that you have actually moved or removed already. Literally just plug like so, clips in, jobs are good one. And these are for any further Custom Dynamics lights that you want to run at the back of the bike. This is literally plug and play system, so you don't need them for now. All you need is to remove this, plug the Smart Triple Play in, and we'll go from there. Okay guys, so now I am going to program the Smart Triple Play to tell my rear turn signals that I want them to be running lights as well. So the first thing you must do is ensure that the bike is off. Okay, once the bike is off, you can see two little switches there. What you want to do is make sure both of those are facing the up position, like so. Once you've done that, what you want to do is you want to turn the ignition back on the bike. Okay, so now what you want to do is, starting with the switch closest to the dial, you want to go down, up, down, and then move to the second switch and do exactly the same thing. That will then tell the bike that you want to start programming it, and it will have a breathing effect at the back of the tail lights, like so. Down, up, down, down, up, down, and as you can see at the back of the bike, it is now got the breathing effect. So now what you want to do is you want to make sure that your tail lights are more or less the same brightness as your rear tail light. Left for dimmer and right for higher, like so. I would like them a little bit lower. There we go, they are now perfectly good running lights. And once you're happy, like I said, once you're happy with the match at the back, you'll hit the brake lever to lock in and then release, and it locks it in to ensure that that is now set as your rear tail running lights as a whole. Next thing you want to do is cycle the key off, and then you can turn back on, and you should have perfectly good running lights at the back of the bike, which we do. Success. So that's how easy that is, guys. Pretty simple. You fitted your LEDs at the front, you fitted your LEDs at the back, turn signals, and now you want your turn signals at the rear to be running lights. And what you need is a smart triple play, and that is how you program it. Pretty simple. You've seen the results. Outstanding. So there you go, guys. That's how easy that is to install all by yourself. It is actually probably maybe a 10-minute job, 15-minute job maximum if you get everything right. And obviously the smart triple play does its job now for me, so I can have my running lights, like I said, here in Canada, as well as turn signals from the same thing, thus giving it a better look on the back, and most importantly of all, a lot more safety features on the back of the bike, and it will absolutely make you stand out in the dark a hell of a lot more than what it did beforehand. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. A big thank you to Custom Dynamics for sorting me out with those with the triple play. I can't thank you enough, guys. Legends. I will leave the link down below to the smart triple play if you guys want to go buy it from Custom Dynamics. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks very much for watching. I am Stevie the Military Biker. If you did like it, like I said, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, think about subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one. And remember, you'll never walk alone.